The Honorable Kawira Mwangaza, Governor of Meru County, please take the stand. Honorable Kawira Mwangaza, the Governor of Meru County, the charges against you as received from the County Assembly of Meru are as follows, and I quote, Charge 1, misappropriation and misuse of county resources. The Governor has grossly violated, among others, Articles 10, 73, 201, 226, Clause 5, 227, and 232 of the Constitution, Sections 8, 12, 13, 1, 16, 17, and 35 of the Leadership and Integrity Act 2012, that is the Integrity Act, Sections 55 and 66 of the Public Procurement and Asset Disposal Act 2015, that is the Procurement Act, and Sections 45, subsection 2, and 46 of the Anti-Corruption and Economic Crimes Act, that is the Anti-Corruption Act, by engagement, connivance, and/or complicity in the following. A, the embezzlement of county funds through the Governor's sisters, that is Rose Kinya Gwantai and Miriam Gwantai, brother, that is Kenneth Gwantai Murangiri, brother-in-law, that is Nefat Kinywa, and the nephew to the Governor's husband, that is Edwin Mutuma Murangiri, all of whom are from now on collectively referred to as the Governor's relatives. B, the withdrawal of county funds under the guise of payment for various supplies by the Governor's relatives, yet they, that is the Governor's relatives, are ineligible to tender for or supply any goods or services to the county government. C, paying full salary and benefits for more than a year to Dr. Ntoiti, that is CEO of County Revenue Board, Paul Mwaki, that is CEO of Liquor Board, Peter Kimathi Mbae, CEO of Meru Microfinance, and Joseph Kithure Mberia, CEO of MEWASS, while knowing that those officers were not rendering any services to the county. And D, the diversion and misuse of county resources, including funds and motor vehicles, to run the Governor's private charity, dubbed Okolea, despite a previous promise to the Senate in the previous impeachment proceedings to refrain from conflating official county operations and Okolea operations. Charge number 2, nepotism and related unethical practices. The particulars